Okay guys, I procured a 30-tooth pinion. So I've re-geared it now. This is 77 spur, 31 tooth pinion, all right? See how she goes. Coming from an 83 tooth spur and a 21 tooth pinion, okay? Oh boy. Yeah, we got a lot more top speed. Look at that. Yeah, we got top speed now, boy. Okay, guys, I misspoke on the last video of this PRS1 RM build. I said 32 pitch, and I did not mean 32 pitch. It is in fact 48 pitch. So yeah, it's 48 pitch. I referred to the manual and I studied the gearing again. You can fit up to a 36 tooth pinion on the 72 tooth spur. This is like somewhere in the high middle, actually, of the high middle of the range. It's running good. It's plenty fast. It's plenty fast. Now I need road tires, but look at that. Oh boy, yeah. Watch this. You hear that? I'm liking the way it's handling with the droop in the front. It's pretty stable, but it's still loose to soak up bumps if I start jumping it off curbs and stuff, you know. What I was going for was real good handling on the road, but also articulation for curbs, and I'm tuning it for this block, basically. Tuning it for this kind of garbage. See all that? Tuning it for street bashing, essentially. You still got to be careful of some of those driveways. They're freaking have big old steep steps on them. I'm gonna dial up my steering just a tiny bit. Yeah, this thing's fun. This is pretty much perfect for the gearing. It's perfect. 77 spur, 30 pinion. There you go. And that's plenty of top speed. I mean, yeah, I could go taller. I could go taller. These electronics can handle it. I'm gonna walk all the way around the block. Get a little exercise moment. This thing's very smooth. Absolutely no cogging here, boy. No cogging here whatsoever. Your little wheelie. Oh, this thing's fun. Yeah, quite a bit more top speed. Take these at an angle. There's that jump. I don't want to hit it. So yeah, gearing, a success. It's running really good. By the way, that pinion tooth noise is gone now. I knew it was that pinion. I was experiencing that on, I think it was one of my RC10Ts that I had that old pinion on before. The 21 tooth. Oh, there's a helicopter, sorry. Plane, UFO, UAP, whatever. Okay, so what I was saying is that 21 tooth pinion I have that I did the test runs on this with, it's it was in one of my RC10Ts, and I remember it having a weird anomalistic sound to one of the teeth. It's got a bobble in it or an imperfection or something. And I inspected it again when I took it off, and I didn't see anything with my eye, but it's definitely got some sort of bubble in it. It's weird. It sounds weird. What's up with this driveway? Ooh. Jeez. What's up, guys? Having fun with my car. You guys are having fun, looks like. Not, just kidding. What are those things? Weird wobble chair things. Funny. Man, this thing's freaking awesome. I love this build. You guys, I know this would do so good on a carpet track. Freaking know it would. Oh boy, need my street tires. Look at the profile. It looks so good on the road too. Looks so good on the road. I need my road tires. I mean, I'm having fun with it, but yeah, I've already worn these tires out. I'm doing that kind of stuff. As soon as you get some speed going though, it sits right down. It sits right down in the wind. Okay. It's very smooth. It's broke in now. It's really sort of broke in, seated. Everything very, very smooth. Oh, by the way, I tightened the clutch up just about as tight as it would go. Here's a car. About to run me over. Yeah. And then waves at me. Here, I'll run you over and wave at you too. Cool. I think this is a 20-mile-an-hour circle. I mean, come on. Yeah, I'm being a little cocky, but it's a 20-mile-an-hour circle. So it's kind of perfect for RCs, dude. But I was running my nitros out here. I was running, yeah, we ran them both out here for funsies. And this guy right here on the right here, he came out and complained about the noise. And you know, whatever, it is what it is, it's fine. I don't do it anymore. I went over to the church, you know. You can see my videos of my nitros. I'm driving them over at that big open church parking lot. Pretty nice, because this guy works from home and he didn't like the noise. It was disturbing him working from home. So enough said about that. It's totally fine. I respected it and I don't do it anymore. I'm a respectful neighbor. Truth be told, I'm probably the loudest thing on this block, by the way. From drums and bands and late night production. What's going on? Oh, something weird. Late night bands, nitro cars, my BMW that's loud and rumbly. There's a guy with Porsches. It's another thing. Porsches sound pretty wicked. You know? I don't like how the body sits. Sometimes it's the electronics pushing the body around inside. Anyway, yeah. I am the loudest thing on the block, by far. Which is fun. This thing is fun, you guys. This thing's fun. Should we go hit the jump? Why not? I mean, and the diff's really tight, and I used 30,000 weight diff fluid, and it's still that nimble, you know? Thank God I have it in there. When I get my street tires on, you'll see a little bit better street performance, obviously. And then these tires are already shot. There's a nice little wheelie. These tires are already shot. Woo! Damn. It can take it. It even took that. Oh, shit. I shouldn't be doing this, you guys. Fun though. I want to land that, you know. If this guy's got ring, he's got a lot of cool footage of this thing. I have ring. So. Yeah. Street bash course. Oh! Kicks it sideways if you hit that wrong. Still kind of kicks it sideways. Hey, sorry. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's that? I think my pinion just moved. Yeah. Before I tear it up, what did I just break?